Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic molar mass. So what is molar mass? Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a given compound or substance. So molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a given compound or substance of a given compound or substance. So we know that the number of moles of a compound are the ratio of given mass of the compound to the molar mass of the compound. So we can write the above formula in the following way. So we can write molar mass will be equals to moles into given mass. So it will be mass which is given mass into number of moles. So here this is represented by small m and this molar mass is represented by capital M. So molar mass is the product of given mass of the compound and number of moles. Now the unit to measure the mass, molar mass, is grams. So molar mass is measured in grams. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Let us say this is water. So the molecular mass of water is 18 AMU or 18U and the molar mass of this water is 18 gram. Let us see how we can say that this is the molar mass of water. So we know that the molecular mass of water is 18 AMU. Molecular mass of water is 18 AMU. Now for molar mass we should have total Avogadro's number of water molecules. So the total number of water molecules will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now the molar mass will be equals to molecular mass of one molecule means 18 AMU into total number of molecules in a mole. So it will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now we have to calculate this in grams. So we have to use AMU in terms of gram. 1 AMU is equals to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. So it will be 18 into 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So when we solve this, we get it as 18 gram. So here the correct answer will be that only AMU will be replaced by a gram when we convert a molecular mass into molar mass. So this is all about molar mass. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.